Hello there, hope you're doing fine. My name is Jerry Opicho, and I am here to take you through a series of basic tasks in Excel. And because Excel, it's a very important tool that is basically used for analysis, both complex and simple analysis. And to kickstart us off, I'd like to start with just a simple and precise and on point introduction that will explain what Excel is and basically what Excel is used for. So to start us off, I want to just give a definition of Excel and tell you that Excel is a powerful tool that can be used to analyze large amounts of data. Uh, and although it is can be used to analyze large amount of data, it can also be used for simple calculations like doing sum and also doing averaging of your data. Excel also entails grid of cells, and you can put data in form of numbers, text, and even formula in these cells, and you can also group the data in the cells into rows and also columns, which make it easier for you to analyze that data. So the grouping helps in adding up, filtering, and also sorting the data, as well as putting the data in tables and analyzing data in charts. After you input the data, you analyze the data, you need a presentation. You need something that you can present that this is the analysis and this I did the analysis and these are the results I got. So that's just a short, precise, on point introduction of what Excel is. And so the next episode, I'll be taking you through part one of basic tasks in Excel, which is how to create a new workbook and how to enter data into the workbook. So in that episode, we look at what a workbook is, how we create the workbook, what it entails, how do you load data into the workbook. Yeah. So see you then, and thank you for listening to me.